First, prepare a board, an old screen, and a new screen. You need to confirm that the old screen has true tone on the machine. In the test box powered on, take the old screen to read the cover code. Buckle the TP touch cable. Short press mode. Enter the interface for writing cover code. After entering the interface of writing cover code, press the mode again to read. Read successful. Unplug the old screen. Take the new screen and write button on the new screen. Long press the recover to write. Write successful. Buckle up the original earpiece. Then write the cover code to the new screen. Buckle on the plate. Power it on. The True Tone display is turned on. True colors are written successfully.